just got to the barn. It's nice and sunny, so of course we gotta put our sunblock on. Let's go grab Johnny and go for a ride. Whoa. Seriously, Johnny? He's like, I'm no longer a brown horse. I am now, what color is this? Palomino?
We're done a wash day.
This is a new record. Like, this is a whole new level for Johnny. We gotta do a before and after. I think this just turned into a wash day. I don't know if we're gonna get any riding done. This is gonna take a while. Now, we have talked about how Johnny likes to get dirty before, but I don't think you really understand what I mean or the scope of what I'm talking about when I say this horse likes to get dirty. He is a completely different color. Come on, Johnny. John E. Ha! Get it?
This is what happens when your horse's name is too long to write on his back.
I'm starting with the curry comb to just break some of that up first. Ah, it's kind of moist. He must have knocked over his water or laid in something we don't even want to think about right now, because it's like really gross.
I just wanted to ride. Why did you have to do this? Since I'm filming, I can't groom, so she's grooming the entire horse, and I'm, filming.
Ah!
I know that's pee. This horse is literally 3 different colors right now. Johnny doesn't like water on his face, so we have to use a washcloth.
Why am I the one doing all the work?
Because I'm filming.
Give me the camera. I got like a sweat mustache going on, my hair's sweating out and getting all puffy. Come on, let's trade. You do the horse and I'll take the camera.
But you do such a good job. I wouldn't want to mess up your flows.
All clean, looking so much better. And we had to doctor up a few spots. Those flies are no joke this season. We're gonna clean out his stall right quick to make sure there's nothing gross for him to roll around in later. Who does most of the work at the barn? Me! But she is going to go dump the barrel. It's the least you can do. I think Johnny is hot, so we're gonna add another fan to his stall, and hopefully that will stop all of the shavings from sticking to him. So when we come out tomorrow, we can actually ride rather than having to wash him again. He seems to be enjoying that fan. Today, the entire day was spent in the barn, so I guess we put our sunblock on for nothing. Now we're heading to the store to grab some bungees or something so we can put the fan on his stall. Bungee cords, bungee cords. There they are. Found them. All right, that'll work. It's a new day and it's a lot cooler because it's all nice and cloudy. Going back to our English bridle. All right, trot.
It's kind of like a fall from space. What they call a fall from grace. But I'm not gonna fall today.
I don't think I'm gonna ride in shorts anymore because my legs are torn up.
We are headed to our old barn for some instruction. She wants to get back in a saddle seat, so that's what we're doing. And it's a far, it's a really far barn. It's like an hour from our house. So we had to wake up really early this morning and we've been driving for a while.
I started riding saddle seat when I was 5 and I miss it, but Johnny isn't a saddle seat horse, so we had to go to another barn.
It's been a while. I hope she remembers.
I never learn from my mistakes. Everything you drop breaks, even a pretty face. It's pretty cool to fall in love. I need something to take me down. It's cooler in the clouds, not when we're falling out. I don't wanna fall right now.
These horses are a lot faster than Johnny. My hands hurt. My legs hurt. I forgot how much work this is. This is a lot of work.
Gonna ride a new horse. This is a beautiful girl. I didn't catch what her name was, but she's she's humongous. Wow. These horses make Johnny seem like a pony.
Get down and get up, break up and make up, get down and get up.
I remembered nothing. I mean, I remembered some things, but I didn't remember like how fast the horses were or how strong the horses were. And I definitely did not remember how big these horses are. They are huge horses. Johnny is like 15-1 and these horses are like 17, 18 hands. Okay, well maybe they're not that big, but they seem that big. But it's definitely just as much fun as I remember.
And now it's time for the long ride back home. Thank you for joining us for another Fabsome Horses.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog.
And we will see you next time. Bye!